Welcome to the channel, guys. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. It is called Squid Academy. In this video, we're going to go in great detail. I'm going to show you what this NFT is all about and who are the guys behind it and what is the roadmap and why this NFT is one of the most sought out NFT in the NFT space. The website is squidsacademy.net. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. Without further ado, let's check this NFT out. It's going to be minted on 17th of May, guys. So please lock that date down, write that date down and store it somewhere because you got to remember it. A class of 10,456 NFT squids who defy, and obviously the squids lived a hard life and now have a one-time chance to flip it topsy-turvy. And are you ready to defy? And this is the element that they've developed, and that is one of the reasons why they've given it such a unique twist and made it something that has never come into the NFT space before. So what is the Squid NFT all about? What do you feel when you reminisce over your childhood dreams? Endless possibilities, careful imaginations, and a life full of happiness and wonder. Long ago, it is said that the plague of hopelessness and COVID-infected adults who gave up when they faced hardship, foul play, tough times, and heartbreaks in life. In no time, the dark clouds hovered all over the world, and adults started living like bots, with their childhood dreams faded into the oblivion. Now, tough times give rise to great men, and during the times of this plague, great men with iron will and guts to defy faith united and founded Squid Academy as a sanctuary and haven for those who needed to take a step back from the setback, heal and come back with the will to defy and write their own story. So obviously you can clearly see the backstory that they've done, the mission that they're on, the vision that they have kept, the aim that they want to do, and the objectives that they want to achieve. All of these things are clearly displayed in the first element of first ever Squid NFTs. Your Squid secures your membership to the Squid DAO and grants access to exclusive perks and privileges such as Squidush, games, tours, tokens, giveaways, raffle, merchandise, and much more. And with the Squid Academy, the first DAO to invest in high quality crypto projects such as a venture capitalist and purchase blue chip stocks, as well as decide the future of Squid Academy. Now, obviously, one of the most important elements, guys, you got to keep in mind is the fact that the people, the team, the individuals behind the project need to understand what they're doing and how they're doing it. And only then should you invest into an NFT once that you have understood what they're planning to do, how they're planning to do it, and what scalability their project tends to have. And obviously with the Squidish was more than just a highly addictive, scalable game that is governed by the tokenverse, the token that they're using, and opening doors to the metaverse. So obviously they have a system in place. They have a strategy in place. They understand the financial dynamics that a project tends to have. They understand the financial limitations at times projects tends to have. And the strategy that they build is to ensure that they focus on the financial side of things and they do not get hindered by their financial elements. So the originals and the volunteers are the third thing that we have to look at. The Squids come in 456 origins and 10,000 volunteers. The originals are the founding members of the Academy, and those with the will to defy are the volunteers. In the Academy, all squids are equal, yet no two squids share same attributes. So this is a very rare and unique element that they've brought in. The utility, I feel, is something that needs to be noted. Staking, free merchandise, venture capitalists, blue chip stocks, luxury tours, Squid Academy, and 3D Squid, Squidish, and much more. So they have actually put together that this particular NFT is not just an NFT that you'll hold in your wallet, but an NFT that you can use to generate passive income for yourself. Passive income that you can use to buy more NFTs and invest that NFT into NFT space or crypto space, whatever you feel like. But it is giving back to the user, which is the most important element that any user or NFT holder wants to look at. The attributes, each Squid NFT is hand-drawn, a very interesting element. Not all NFTs that you will find will be hand-drawn. And I feel the ones that are hand-drawn has a lot of soul. The creative artist puts a lot of creativity into developing those artworks. Algorithmic graphically generated and unique piece of 2D digital art using a combination of 550 possible attributes like skin, eyes, backgrounds, and other. Complete details about the attributes and their varying rarities will be revealed after the initial sales. Note that 200 Squid NFTs are excluded from the INO sales, which will be utilized for marketing and the team's membership to the Squidemy. So obviously the rarities over there and understanding how the system works, all is available. The roadmap is the foundation upon which any particular NFT is successful. If you look at the big names in the industry, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, such as the Meta Avatars, Bean, his Invisible Friends, these are massive names that have created a lot of ripple in the NFT space. And one of the most determining factors for their success was the fact that they had a very clearly thought out plan. Their roadmap was very clearly laid out. And I can see the same thing with Squid Academy. Squid Academy has a very interesting roadmap. A roadmap that is very precise, a roadmap that is very clear, a roadmap that is to the point, a roadmap that shows the users and future NFT holders what Squid Academy wants to do, how they want to do it, and obviously when they want to do it. Looking at the team call, with the VIP arrived to open Squid Academy, the Design Academy, the marketing, the website, the gaming event, INO sales, all of these are the determining factor for success. In the second quarter to the fourth quarter, from the marketplace, the rarity and analytics, the giveaways, the websites, the galleries, the raffles, the staking, the charity, the merchandise stores, all of these elements are thought out. The tour, the Squidemy, the partnership, the 3D Squids, the Squidish, the tokens, the venture capitalists, the gaming events, every single element, they have looked through it very, very thoroughly. They have understood why staking is important, why the merchandise store is important, why a giveaway needs to be done, why the website needs to be a version 2, why there needs to be a gallery, and why there needs to be gaming events. All of these things, all of these points, all of these milestones are milestones that need to be achieved by successful NFTs that mean to do well in the industries. Now, obviously, once all of these are done, there will be season 2. So there will be another roadmap that will come. And there is a slide picture which I want to show you of the merchandise, which I feel is very, very cute. So guys, if you're thinking about investing in this NFT, do invest. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my own opinion. And please make sure that you do your own due diligence before investing and never invest more than you're willing to lose. I've done a lot of overviews and reviews of play to earn games and NFTs that you can check out on my channel, Educational Network. So head over there and check it out. Before I end this video, I want to mention the team. The team is one of the foundations upon which a successful NFT project is built. If the foundation is weak, if the team is weak, the project, the building falls. But if the foundation is strong and the team is strong, that particular NFT, that foundation, that building will be successful, will be strong, which will be scalable. And obviously, looking at the team, I can clearly see individuals that have a lot of experience in the NFT space. You can find them on Twitter, you can find them on Instagram, you can find them on LinkedIn, you can check out their information. These guys check out, and that is why they have done a wonderful job in developing a unique NFT. Let's get the mint, like I said, will be on the 17th of May. The mint price is going to be 1 Solana, and obviously I'm going to put the link of the website in the description below. You can check it out. Guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and your family so more people can benefit from it. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.